Welcome to the 23 Shop channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada. This is number 27 Shop channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld. Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Ahly 0. The CAF Champions League. Boy, how's it?
I'm good, and you?
Good, thanks. What's your name? Where do you come from?
I'm from Mamelodi.
Yeah. What's your take on the game?
The game, we played very well, but first half we needed Mshishi to play. And then Alendo was on, and then
Yeah, and what Ribeiro, did you like Ribeiro's play today?
I liked Ribeiro at the first half playing, but the second half he was off.
Wanted him to be substituted?
Yes.
Yeah. So who's your man of the match today?
Alendo.
Yes. Oh, at least he played very well.
Yes.
Yeah. What's your message to your supporters as they come here? I can see you are very young, and there are other supporters who are upcoming. What's your message to them in terms of them, you encouraging them to to come and support Sundowns?
Sundowns is a very big team, and it is a team that plays well, so they must follow. They must see what the players are doing, then they must train harder.
Thank you very much. Thank you.